Don't let the wrong food send you racing to the restroom. Instead, start spring with a sweet treat that your gut will love. Hi, I'm Erin, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to enhance your digestive health with a sweet spin on one of my favorite desserts, baked banana boats. As you might have guessed from the name, this dish begins with a banana. 2 of them in fact, because today we'll be making strawberry kiwi and s'mores-themed flavors. So let's get started. First, make a deep, lengthwise cut in each banana and place them in the center of a tray with heavy foil, cut side up. Bananas are filled with prebiotics, which help fuel your good gut bacteria. For the strawberry kiwi option, open the cut and add a half tablespoon of chopped kiwi, followed by a half tablespoon of chopped strawberries. Then top it off with a teaspoon of unsweetened coconut flakes for a little extra fiber. For the s'mores recipe, we're going to open the banana and fill it with 1 tablespoon of 60% cacao chocolate chips. Make sure you push them down in there for maximum chocolatey goodness. Follow them up with 1 tablespoon of Hy-Vee miniature marshmallows and 1 tablespoon of crushed whole grain graham crackers. Together, these ingredients are enough to satisfy any sweet tooth. Next, wrap the bananas from end to end, making sure to stretch your foil across the entire length. Put them into the oven at 400 degrees and bake your sweet treats for 8 to 10 minutes until they're warm all the way through. After that, you can open the foil and let them rest until the bananas have cooled. Then, all that's left is to dig in and enjoy. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at Hy-Vee.com/health.